Hello friends, today we will see few of the commonly used formulas for addition and percentage. You can see the table here in which there are names of students and their marks in the respective subjects. Now, we want to add all these marks to find total marks. So, when you select all these cells, you can see the addition of these marks down here in the right corner. You can also see the count of cells and the average of all the marks. Okay, so now we want to add all these cells. So there is a formula. Now we will write is equal to sum bracket open and select this cell, the cell which you want to add first, and drag till this H4. Select all cells and press enter. You will get the same result, 378. When you select all this and see here, you will get addition, that is 378. And you can see here as well, it is 378. Okay. Now, you want to add all this means you want to add marks for Sujata, Prashant, Rani, Tejas, and so on. So, what are you going to do? You will do the same, is equal to no. Now, just only drag this, and formula will be updated as it goes. So you can see D5, H5. When you double click this, you will get these columns, addition of these columns. Okay. Now we will see how to calculate percentage. Is equal to total number of marks divided by total marks of all subjects, means total marks of maths, science, English, history, and geography. That is 500. Just enter. You will get 0.756, and just press this percentage. You will get this 76%. Now you can do the same as we did in total. Just drag this and you will get percentage for each student.